In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Waze avoid freeways on your routes. If you prefer driving on local roads, want a calmer pace, or simply don't like merging onto fast-moving highways, this quick setting will help Waze prioritize streets over freeways whenever it can. Start by opening the Waze app on your phone. Give it a second to fully load the map so everything is responsive. If the interface looks cluttered, a quick tap on the map usually brings the main controls into view and makes the next steps easier to see. Next, look to the top left corner of the screen for the menu button, the three horizontal lines often called the hamburger menu. Tap that to open Waze's main menu. This menu is where you'll find your account options, saved places, and the app's core settings. From here, tap the Settings button, which is represented by the gear icon. Settings is the hub for all your preferences, including sound, map display, and how Waze calculates your routes. We'll head straight to the route preferences next. Inside Settings, tap Navigation. This is the section that controls how Waze chooses your path, including preferences like avoiding certain types of roads. It's a good place to remember because anytime you want to fine-tune your driving experience, you'll come back here. Now look for the option labeled Avoid Freeways. Turn that switch on. When the toggle is enabled, Waze will prioritize non-freeway roads and try to keep you off highways and motorways when reasonable alternatives exist. Keep in mind this can affect your estimated time of arrival, since local roads often have lower speed limits and more traffic lights. That said, it's great for drivers who prefer simpler routes, want to stay closer to city streets, or just feel more comfortable away from high-speed traffic. Once the switch is on, the preference is saved automatically. Waze will use it the next time it calculates a route, including during your current trip if it needs to recalculate. If you notice that your route doesn't change right away, don't worry. Waze will apply the setting the next time it figures out the best path based on real-time conditions. And that's it. You've set Waze to avoid freeways, giving you more control over the type of roads you take. If your needs change later, you can return to the same navigation settings and turn the switch off just as easily. Thanks for watching and enjoy your next drive with routes that better match your comfort and preferences.